Welcome to my channel, Smart Job Consult. Educating, uplifting, upgrading, and inspiring. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. Today, we begin a journey. Starting a business in 2026 is unlike any other time. The digital frontier has expanded. AI is everywhere. Why start now? Because the barrier to entry has never been lower, but the barrier to success involves mastering new tools. Step one is mindset. Before you sell a product, you must sell yourself on the idea. You need resilience. You will face rejection. You will face failure. But in 2026, failure is just data. Learn from it. Pivot. Step two, the idea. Don't just look for what's cool. Look for problems. Where is there friction in people's lives? The riches are in the niches. Don't start a marketing agency. Start a marketing agency for robotic repair shops. Step three, validation. Before you build, sell, talk to potential customers. Will they pay for your solution? Step four, the business plan. Forget the 50-page document. You need a lean canvas. 1 page. Value proposition, customer segments, revenue streams, cost structure. Keep it simple. Keep it agile. This is the foundation. Without this, the rest is just noise. Master your mindset and your plan first. In part 2, we will cover legal, branding, and the launch. Subscribe, like, and comment to Smart Job Consult. See you in the next video. Welcome back to Smart Job Consult. In part 1, we mastered the mindset and the plan. Now, in part 2, we build the engine and launch. Step 5, legal structure. Don't build a castle on sand. Decide LLC, corporation, sole proprietorship. Protect your personal assets from day one. Step 6, financial setup. Open a business bank account. Never mix personal and business funds. Get accounting software. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. Step 7, branding. It is not just a logo. It is a promise. It is how you make people feel when they interact with you. Consistency is key. Your website, your emails, your social media, they must all speak the same language. Build trust through consistency. Step 8, online presence. Your website is your headquarters. Social media is your megaphone. Provide value before you ask for a sale. Content is the currency of 2026. Educate your audience. Show them you are the expert. Uplift them. Step 9, the launch. Do not wait for perfection. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Launch, learn, iterate. A soft launch to a few people is better than a hard launch to no one. Get feedback, refine your offer, then scale. You have the roadmap. You have the tools. The only thing missing is action. The world is waiting for what you have to create. Thank you for watching this series. If you found value, please subscribe, like, and comment to Smart Job Consult. Go make 2026 your year. 2026 is right around the corner. As entrepreneurs, are we ready to dominate or just survive? Setting the right goals now is the difference between stagnation and exponential growth. But before we look forward, we must look back. What worked in the past year? What didn't? True audit of your performance is the foundation of a solid strategy for 2026. We've all heard of SMART goals, but are you actually applying them? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't just say make more money. Say increase revenue by 20% by Q2. In 2026, technology isn't just an option, it's the engine of your business. How are you leveraging AI, automation? If you aren't integrating these, your competition will. Your goals shouldn't just be yours. They need to be your team's goals too. Culture eats strategy for breakfast. Build a culture that aligns with your 2026 vision. Let's talk numbers. Cash flow is oxygen. What are your financial targets? Plan your investments. Where will capital yield the highest ROI next year? And don't forget the entrepreneur behind the business. You. Your mental and physical health is a business asset. Protect it. Schedule it. Your network is your net worth. Who do you need to meet in 2026? Strategic partnerships can unlock doors that hard work alone cannot. The market will change. It always does. Agility must be one of your goals. Build resilience into your business model. Be ready to pivot when necessary. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Break it down. Quarterly, monthly, weekly. It's what you do every single day that compounds into massive success. Get an accountability partner or a mentor, someone to keep you on track. Visualize where you want to be on December 31st, 2026. Hold that feeling. Make 2026 your breakthrough year. You have the power to shape your future. If you're ready to level up, subscribe to Smart Job Consult for more insights. Let's get to work. Welcome to my channel, Smart Job Consult, educating, uplifting, upgrading, and inspiring. What you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. Today, we are diving into a powerful and timely topic, AI-driven entrepreneurship, building smart businesses. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it is the present. Entrepreneurs who understand AI are building faster, smarter, and more profitable businesses. If you want to stay relevant, competitive, and scalable in today's economy, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. What is AI-driven entrepreneurship? AI-driven entrepreneurship means using artificial intelligence tools and systems to start, run, grow, and scale businesses more efficiently. Instead of relying only on human effort, AI helps entrepreneurs analyze data faster, automate repetitive tasks, understand customers better, make smarter decisions. Think of AI as a digital business partner that works 24/7 without getting tired. From startups to large corporations, AI is transforming how businesses operate, and entrepreneurs who embrace it early gain a massive advantage. Welcome back to Smart Job Consult. You want financial freedom? You need multiple streams of income. Let's talk 2026 side hustles. Number 1, AI automation agency. Businesses are drowning in data but starving for insights. Build the systems that save them time. Number 2, virtual event production. As the metaverse matures, companies need immersive experiences, not just Zoom calls. Be the architect of these worlds. Number 3, sustainability consulting. Green isn't just good for the planet, it's profitable. Help brands reduce their carbon footprint. Number 4, microeducation. People don't want 4-year degrees. They want specific skills. Teach what you know in bite-sized courses. Number 5, digital wellness coaching. Tech burnout is real. Guide people on how to use technology mindfully to improve their health. Number 6, smart home integration. Homes are getting smarter, but people aren't. Be the expert who connects the dots for secure, automated living. The best side hustle is the one you actually start. Don't overthink it. Execute. Which hustle will you pick? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Smart Job Consult for more wealth-building tips. If you think passive income is a myth, you're living in the past. Today, we're breaking down the exact strategies that are working right now. The landscape has shifted. It's no longer just about real estate or dividends. In 2026, the biggest opportunities are digital, automated, and AI-driven. Strategy number 1, AI content ecosystems. It's not about writing one blog post anymore. It's about building automated systems that generate and update value across multiple platforms simultaneously. Tools available today allow you to syndicate content, manage communities, and sell digital products with minimal human intervention once the system is built. Strategy number 2, smart decentralized finance. Yield farming has matured. We're talking about stable audited protocols that offer returns traditional banks can't touch. By staking assets in secured liquidity pools, you become the bank. The risk is there, yes, but the data shows that conservative DeFi strategies have outperformed the S&P 500 for 3 years running. Strategy 3, micro SaaS acquisition. You don't need to build software, you need to own it. Marketplaces for buying established, small-scale software tools are booming. Buy a tool that solves a specific problem, hire a freelance maintainer, and collect the subscription revenue. It's digital real estate without the property taxes. But here is the catch. None of this is get rich quick. It requires an upfront investment of time or capital. True passive income is the reward for building a machine that works for you. Imagine waking up to see your systems have generated revenue while you slept. That is the goal. Not just money, but time freedom. Start building your machine today. Pick one strategy, master it, and then diversify. Now let's talk about practical AI tools entrepreneurs can use today. 1, AI for content and marketing. AI tools help create social media posts, blog articles, video scripts, and ad copy. This saves time and keeps your brand consistent. 2, AI for customer support. Chatbots and AI assistants handle customer inquiries, booking appointments, and frequently asked questions. This improves satisfaction while reducing workload. 3, AI for sales and lead generation. AI identifies potential customers, predicts buying behavior, and helps you close more deals. 4, AI for finance and operations. AI tools manage bookkeeping, expense tracking, and sales forecasting. This allows entrepreneurs to focus on growth instead of paperwork. Here's a simple step-by-step approach to building a smart business with AI. Step 1. Identify repetitive tasks. Look for tasks that consume time but don't require creativity. These are perfect for AI automation. Step 2. Start small. You don't need expensive systems. Begin with 1 or 2 AI tools that solve your biggest problems. Step 3. Use AI to understand your customers. AI helps analyze customer behavior, preferences, and feedback so you can serve them better. Step 4. Combine AI with human creativity. AI enhances human effort. It doesn't replace vision, leadership, or purpose. The smartest businesses use AI as a tool, not a replacement for values and innovation. AI has created new business opportunities, including AI consulting, digital marketing agencies, and online education platforms. Automation services for companies, data analysis, and decision support services are in high demand. You don't need to be a programmer to profit from AI. You need understanding, strategy, and execution. The entrepreneurs who act now will dominate the next decade. AI-driven entrepreneurship is not about technology alone. It's about thinking smarter, working faster, and building sustainable businesses. If you want to future-proof your business, start learning, experimenting, and adapting today. If you found value in this video, subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, Smart Job Consult. Your support helps us continue educating and inspiring. See you in the next video.